Okay, so I just read about this tool called diffsitter that completely flips how we think about showing differences in code.
Wait, really? I thought diffs were just about line-by-line changes. What's so special about diffsitter?
Exactly. It uses something called the abstract syntax tree, or AST, to find meaningful differences, not just formatting ones.
So like it ignores stuff like extra spaces or different styles? That's super cool, but how does it pull that off?
Right. It parses the code first using treesitter, which gives it a structured view of the code.
Oh wow, that makes a lot of sense. So it's like looking at the grammar of the code instead of just its appearance.
Exactly. And here's the wild part. It can focus on specific parts of the code too, like just methods. How neat is that?
Wait, so you can customize what it looks for in the diff? That changes everything.
Yes, you can filter through config settings to exclude or include certain syntax nodes. It's like having a fine-tuned lens for coding.
I love that. It's like a coding detective, only focusing on what actually matters.
Totally. Just imagine checking a giant code base without getting lost in formatting issues.
That's such a time saver. Has this been tried in any big projects yet?
Yes, and it works with several languages. Think Java, Python, Rust, and more.
Wow, supporting that many languages makes it super versatile. But how's the performance on large files?
Great question. It actually boasts extensive logging features, so you can debug or check timing info while using it.
So not only does it give meaningful diffs, but it also keeps track of how efficiently it's working.
Exactly. It's like a coder's assistant that's always improving.
Nice! How do you even get started with diffsitter?
It's pretty easy. They provide binaries, or you can install it via package managers like Homebrew.
Homebrew? That makes it super accessible. Can you also build it from scratch?
Yep, you can build it using Cargo, which is the Rust package manager. So many options.
Now that's a feature. But what if I need it to integrate with Git?
Good point. You can set it as a diff tool in your Git configuration. Super smooth integration.
This sounds like a game changer. Are there other similar tools out there?
Yeah, there are a few like Difftastic and Gumtree, but diffsitter seems to have a unique approach.
It must be refreshing to see such innovation in a tooling landscape that feels pretty static.
For sure. Plus, the idea that it's open for contributions means it could evolve rapidly.
I love that. So it's like being part of a community project where everyone benefits.
Exactly. And here's the kicker. It allows node filtering to really hone in on what's important in your diffs.
Node filtering, how does that work? That sounds useful.
You can set rules in the config file specifying which components to include or exclude. It's that flexible.
Sounds like a perfect blend of power and usability. Do you think it would help in learning other languages too?
Definitely. By visualizing the structures, it could solidify understanding of syntax and logic.
That's brilliant. It's like a dual-purpose tool, both for coders and learners.
Yeah. And it challenges the traditional way we view diffs, which is refreshing.
Totally. I could see how this could change the workflows for teams as well.
For sure. Less time fixing formatting means more time focusing on logic and functionality.
Right. Imagine how much more efficient teams could be if they adopt tools like this.
It really redefines what we consider effective collaboration in code.
Now I'm just picturing all the possibilities. It's a new way to think about coding.
And there's still so much to explore. What could other tools learn from this approach?
I think we'd see a shift towards focusing on substance rather than just presentation in many tools.
Exactly. That's the power of redefining perspectives in coding and tooling.
This is blowing my mind. I can't wait to try diffsitter myself.
Me too. Let's keep pushing the limits of what these tools can do for us.